I'm back. In this video I'll be solving Leetcode problem 2658, maximum number of fish in a grid. This will be live solving, so let's try to do this. We are given 0 index m to the matrix array grid of size mn, and cell if 0, or water cell containing RC fish if RC is greater than 0. Move to waters. Okay, so 5, 3, 7, 5, so it's 7 and 1. Phew. There's only 100. Okay. So, I think I have some ideas. So first, let's try like this. So each cell, each water cell. Okay, so we can start at any water cell. It doesn't make sense to start in water cell that is adjacent to other water cell, because when we start, let's say we start from this cell and we do the exploration, we'll go here, then it doesn't make sense to go again to start our exploration from here because we got this part. So that means we'll have to use some kind of visited or seen set that will store visited cells. Okay, and I'll go one by one, check how many. If it's visited, it's visited. Well, I think this is good enough. This seems okay. Let's have directions. So I'll remove the comment. Directions is equal to it can be like this. Zero, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, and minus 1, 0. So this is directions. What is a set? So I'll need to have also visited, which will be equal to set. Or let's make this a list. I like it as a list more. So I have visited and I have maximum. Maximum is, or let's have result is equal to 0. And now we have to go, so for I in range, let's do this, length of grid, chain range grid 0. So we want to explore. So if I j not in visited, if grid of I j is not equal 0, we just skip this one. If ij is not in visited, I need to add it to visited. Okay, and I have to start catching fish from there. So let's go catch fish, or let's go catch with ij, or should I do it inside? Yeah, let's do it. Oh, let me think about it. So I want to do the catching part now. In catching part, what we need to do in catching part, we need to check if we need to catch, and we also need to go to all the other directions and mark them as visited. But taking care, well, it's called catch, too much work. So let's have current is equal 0. Let's go catch of ij. Apologize. So, and 0 and 1 is equal if not visited catch. Okay. So I'll check if it's valid, and that's it. Okay. So I will have current here, so current is equal to 0, or it's not 0, it's grid of ij, and for the in directions, this is a bit weird the way I made it. But for the indirections, if Yeah, let's remove this catch, it's stupid. So if ij not invisited, current pass equal let's continue. I'm a bit bad today. So if grid of ij is equal to 0, no, we don't need that. So current is grid of this one for the interactions. New I, new j is equal to I plus d of 0, new j is equal to j plus d of 1. Okay, and I need to check if they're valid. So if it's greater equal 0 and less than and 0, and then j this thing. So if for the direction okay, if then I have to okay if grade new I new j is water, then current plus equal catch of new I new j. Okay. Didn't add it for some reason. Okay, ij here also, if it's not, or either way, if it's legit, I need to nij. So if it's good one, we add it. If it is not 0, we see what we can catch from there, and we do that for all, and we return current res is equal to max of res and catch ij. No need for current. So something like this. this. For I in range and 0. Hmm. Okay, I have to check if it's not visit or. Alright, so if it's a good one. Okay, yeah. I'm pretty sloppy today. Okay. Seems solid. Works. Okay, it works. I'm sorry because I wasn't so engaging today. I went for like intercontinental trips, so I'm a bit tired. So jet lag is pretty real. Yeah, I think this was pretty clear one. Maybe some things could have been done better, but I think I'm happy with this one. For the time and space complexity, since we'll just go through all cells. Do we have M and N here? Let me check. So M is MN. So we go. We call this visit. We call this sketch for each. If it's good, but we'll have to check. I think this is all fan. So and space complexity in worst case, all of them solve, and let's maybe check it out. It will be n times m, yeah, because of the, but it's essentially size of an input, n times m, and this thing also then n times m, I suppose, yeah, but the same thing, so of size of an input. Okay, I hope this helped you. That's all I have. See you in the next one.